The Assam Don Bosco University, in association with Genesis Max Foundation, will be holding a five-a-side open-to-all Northeast Pride football tournament from the 24th of September 2022. This is part of the Centenary celebration of the coming of Don Bosco to Northeast India. The tournament will kick-start in Shillong on 24th September and will also be played in Mairang, Nongstoin, Tura and Jowai in Meghalaya, apart from 20 other cities in Northeast India. The Northeast Pride Football Cup finals, to be held in Guwahati, Assam, will have a cash prize of 1 lakh each in categories of under 14, under 16 and under 19. This was informed at a press conference by Abhijeet Oberoi of the Genesis Max Foundation.
We are organizing a five-a-side football tournament which is called the Northeast Pride Cup, which is being hosted by Assam Don Bosco University in association with Genesis Max Foundation. It's a five-a-side tournament for categories under 14, 16 and 19, and it will be conducted over 20 plus cities across Northeast India. The main reason of conducting this tournament is as Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation want to develop the sporting ecosystem in Northeast India. So we are doing a football tournament now. Later we'll be coming up with basketball tournaments, badminton tournaments and multiple tournaments. The reason why we are doing a tournament and not any other event is football players, young football players, like I mentioned, we are doing under 14, 16 and 19. In India don't get ample competitive matches to play in a season. If you talk about European countries, a kid there gets close to 50 to 60 matches in a season, right? Or probably 40 to 60 matches in a season to play with. So they have that kind of match experience. That's what we are trying to give. So it's a knockout tournament so we are starting with the state of Meghalaya from 24th of September from Shillong itself. The match will be conducted at Light Corps, Assam Rifles Light Corps, and there is a small registration fee of 200 rupees per player. So any team, individual or school can participate in it. It's open for all. And after Shillong, we'll be going to Mairang, we'll be going to Nongstoin, Tura and Jowai. So these are the five zones we'll be covering in Meghalaya. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to 20 plus cities across Northeast India. So the under 14, 16, 19 winners of all these cities will come in the last week of November at Assam Don Bosco University, stay there, and there will be matches between all the winners of each zone. And the winners from there will get a chance to win prizes worth 3 lakh rupees. That's 1 lakh per category.